Hello, my name is Larry Hagan. I'm a traffic engineering consultant, and I also serve as an instructor with the Florida LTAP Center. I have over 30 years of experience doing traffic engineering projects all over the state of Florida. I have experience in the public sector, the private sector, and academia. I'll be conducting a series of one-day workshops for the LTAP Center on traffic engineering fundamentals, and we'll be doing this at locations all across the state. In this workshop, we'll be looking at things like traffic data, traffic studies, traffic control devices like signs, pavement markings, and signals. We'll be talking about the fundamentals of traffic signal timing. We'll also look a little bit at work zone traffic control and also things like roundabouts and R-cuts and other intersection types. The workshop is a really high-level overview of the real basic concepts of traffic engineering, and thus it's ideal for people that are just starting to work in the field or for people that maybe work in related fields that want to learn the lingo of traffic engineering. One of the things that I really aim to accomplish in the workshop is to introduce you to these topics, these various topics, and point you to the resources where you can learn more. If you're interested, you can gather additional information. I look forward to seeing you attend this Florida LTAP workshop on traffic engineering fundamentals.